it's Cleofa here, and for today's tutorial, since it's the holidays, I thought I want to share with you how to crochet these Christmas ornaments. I would just like to take a moment and send you some holiday greetings. From my family to yours, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This year also, I have seen an increase in my subscribers compared to the previous year. So I want to thank all my subscribers for all your support. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. You will not regret it. I love doing this, and this has been an avenue for me for self-improvement. And I want to continue doing this, and I want to continue sharing it with you. So again, thank you so much. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And for today's tutorial, it's how to crochet this very simple Christmas ornament. So you can make this really personal, like this one. I've attached a picture of my family, or you can just make this one. This is a general Christmas greeting. So you can hang it in your Christmas tree. You can give it away as presents for your co-workers or colleagues. So without further ado, here is the tutorial. For the materials, we need an off-white yarn. We need rings. And for the rings, I use this princess bangles. I bought this at the dollar store, and inside this packet, there are 10 rings. For $1, 10 rings. We also need a pair of scissors, ribbons, and for the crochet hook, I use size G 4mm crochet hook. We also need our pictures, so you can make this personal or just general holiday greetings. We also need a Sharpie, a glue gun, and a marker. Let's tie the yarn onto the ring, like so. Pull the yarn from under the ring. Yarn over and pull through. Then chain 1. Put a marker on the chain 1 that we just did, and this will be our first stitch. Then around the ring, single crochet around the ring 59 times. So 1 single crochet, 2, and continue around the ring 59 times. So I have now 59 single crochets around the ring. So including the stitch with the marker on, I have 60 stitches around the ring. So to join this round, take off the marker and slip stitch on that stitch right here to join the round. Round 2, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet in the next stitch. And we just created our first space. Repeat, chain 4 again, 2, 3, 4, skip 4 stitches, and single crochet in the next. So for round 2, we are creating spaces, and we should have 12 spaces around the ring. So skip and single crochet in the next stitch. So repeat this step around. I'm now in my last space, so chain 4, and then to end this round, just skip 4 stitches and slip stitch on the next stitch or the last stitch of the round, like this. And we just did round 2. So if we count, there should be 12 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, we're going to do shells on each of the space. So chain 1, and then single crochet in the next space, half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet, all in the same space to do the shell. So we just did our first shell. Then repeat the shell in the next space. So again, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, back to double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet. And we just did our second shell. Looks like this. Again, single crochet on the third space, half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet. Repeat this step around. Now to end this round, just slip stitch on the chain 1 that we did at the beginning of the round. So right here. So slip stitch and then fasten off. And we're done with the crochet part of the ornament. Next, we're going to get our ribbon and insert the ribbon on each of the space like this. So in, out, around the spaces around the ring. And it would look like this. Then insert on the loop where we fasten off, insert the 2 ribbons like this. Tighten the loop. So tighten it like this so that it's tied together. The ribbons are tied together. Then cut a pointed tip to create a design. And this is now what it looks like. Next, we're going to get our pictures. Trace a circle around the picture that you want to be shown on the ornament. Then cut it out. Then take our glue gun and put some glue on it around. Then glue it onto the ornament and it's done. So wait for a few seconds for the glue to dry up and it's ready. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video and please subscribe.